Today, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to add funds to your Binance account. Let's start with the most direct method, buying with a credit or debit card.
In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on Binance using a credit or debit card. From the main dashboard, start by clicking the Deposit button and then choose the Deposit Fiat option. This will take you to the Buy Crypto page. The first and most important step here is to select the currency you want to spend. I'm going to search for and select USD for US dollars. Next, in the Spend field, enter the amount of money you want to use for the purchase. For this example, I'll enter $300, and you can see it automatically calculates how much USDT you will receive. Now, move down to the payment method. You can choose from your saved cards or other options if they're available. To add a new one, just click the Add New Card button. And this is the final step. Binance will bring up a secure form where you'll enter your card details and billing address just like any other online purchase. Once you confirm, the crypto is added to your spot wallet.
A second popular method is using the P2P, or peer-to-peer market. To buy crypto with P2P trading, start by clicking Deposit from your main wallet and then select P2P Trading. Once the P2P market loads, the first step is to select the currency you'll be paying with. Here, I'm searching for and selecting USD to see all the offers available in US dollars. Now you can browse the list of sellers. It's important to check their price, their completion rate, and their order limits to find one you trust. When you've chosen an offer, go ahead and click Buy USD. In the trade window, enter the amount of money you want to spend in the You Pay field. I'll put in $300, and you can see it calculates exactly how much crypto you'll receive. The final step is to set your payment method from the seller's accepted options. Once that's set, you would click the Buy USD button to confirm the trade and proceed with the payment. And that's how you use Binance P2P.
Like and follow for more.